Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Kathy, teacher at home. This week we're going to be talking about bread. Do you like to eat bread? Do you know why we should eat bread? Bread gives our body energy. It helps us go. So having some bread every day is good for your body. How do I make bread? If I want to make bread at home, I would need a recipe. A recipe tells us exactly what we need, what kind of ingredients, and then it tells us the steps that we follow to make the bread. For bread, in this recipe, it tells us that we need some water, 1 cup of water. This is a measuring cup, and this is what 1 cup looks like. It's pretty big. It also says that we need some sugar, but only a little bit, and it says 1 tablespoon. So this is a measuring spoon, and it holds the sugar that you would need for the recipe. It also says that we would need 2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon, which is a little bit smaller than the tablespoon. Look at the difference in the sizes. The tablespoon is bigger and the teaspoon is smaller. So down here on the recipe, it gives you the instructions. And when you follow the instructions, you have to start at the beginning, step number 1, and then you go down and follow the steps. On my recipe, it has 12 steps. Can you guys help me count to 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. To make this bread, you need all these ingredients and you need to follow the steps, all 12 steps, so you can have delicious bread to eat. Did you know that bread can be many different sizes? Bagels are bread, and bagels are shaped like circles. You're right. Circles are round. Bread can also look like an oval, or it can look like a square. You're right, all 4 sides are the same. And this picture came out okay, but it looks like a rectangle. So we have 2 sides are short and 2 sides are long. So this loaf of bread is shaped like a rectangle. This is what it looks like before the machine or a knife cuts it into a slice. A loaf of bread. Maybe today with your family you can watch some videos and see how is bread made. If you have a family recipe, maybe you might like to make bread with your family. When you're having bread next time, look at what shape it is. And maybe you can ask your parents if maybe you can take some measuring cups, maybe in the bathtub with you, and you can pour and see all the different sizes of measuring cups. They're not all the same, are they? Are they? All right, boys and girls, this is it for today. Keep learning at home and have fun. Take care. Bye.